In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product on Podia. First, make sure you're signed in to your Podia account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see an overview of your storefront and recent activity. From here, you'll head to the section where all your digital products live. On the left-hand menu, click on Products. This opens a list of everything you've created, such as courses, downloads, bundles, or coaching products. Take a moment to scan the list and confirm the exact product you want to remove. If you have similar titles, hover over them or click into one briefly to verify it's the right item before you proceed. When you've identified the product you want to delete, look to the right side of that product's row for the three dots icon. Click the three dots to open a small menu with actions related to that specific product. This menu helps you make changes without opening the full product editor. In that menu, click Delete. Podia adds a safeguard here to prevent accidental deletions, so you'll see a confirmation pop up. This is important because deleting a product is permanent. It removes the product from your storefront and typically revokes customer access. Sales pages and related data may no longer be available, and this action cannot be undone. Before continuing, double-check the product name in the confirmation window to ensure it's the correct one. In the confirmation pop-up, you'll see a checkbox that says you have read and understand the repercussions. Click that checkbox to acknowledge the permanence of this action. If the delete button is grayed out, it's usually because this box hasn't been checked yet. This step is designed to help you avoid removing the wrong item or losing content unintentionally. Once you've checked the box, click Permanently Delete Product. Podia will process the deletion and the product will disappear from your products list. You may also see a brief success message confirming the action. If you don't see the item anymore, that's a good sign it's been removed. If you're managing multiple products, refresh the page to update the list and confirm everything looks right. That's it. You've successfully deleted a product on Podia. Remember, because this action is permanent, it's a good habit to verify the product name and consider any customer access or related content before you confirm. Thanks for watching, and if this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section to follow along as you work inside your Podia account.